Greetings. Today I have turned into a chef from a video maker and video creator. So this video is going to be about healthy eating. I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is a product which is very healthy. It is keto friendly. You need one or two cauliflowers according to your requirements. I'll show you the process as we proceed. Welcome back. I am Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam, an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai, India. These days, because of the pandemic and the severity of it, I am homebound and concentrating on my hobbies and eating to improve my health. So one of these is to go on to a low carb, high fat diet, and this is often known as a keto diet. I've been checking my blood sugars over the last 1 week regularly, and I find that eating a keto diet is very helpful to control the blood sugar. Indians are fond of rice, and I've checked many recipes online offering rice or roti flour. They contain a lot of soy flour and other nuts and other ingredients, pea flour and all that, which have got a lot of carbs in them, and carbs, as you know, can make your blood sugar shoot up exorbitantly. But cauliflower rice is will be just like rice, and you can consume as much of it as you want. Today I'm going to consume it with sarson ka saag, and as you know, sarson ka saag or greens are very good nutritive source. This particular saag is rich in magnesium and of course iron and protein. Let's dive in and see how it is made. I have used 2 cauliflowers and I have cut out the florets and discarded the stem. Next, I will be grating this cauliflower. I would prefer my food processor with these holes in it. You can also use a commonly available vegetable grater or cheese grater. You can use this also. And I will be feeding the cauliflower florets into the food processor through the top channel. And this is the food processor which has been assembled, and I'll show you the process right now. First, we'll proceed to grate these cauliflower florets into rice-like particles. The food process is ready, and I'm all set to grind my cauliflower florets. I have loaded the florets into this tower over here, which is the receptacle for the whole florets, and I'm going to turn on. I've set the speed to 4, and now I'm going to turn on this switch. I squeeze the florets into the shredder, and you can see the particles accumulating in the base of the jar. You can see that the rice has been made. It's been nicely grated, although container of cauliflower rice. Quantity of rice will suffice me for maybe 2 days. Now I will proceed to cook it. I've placed it in the microwave in a microwave bowl. I've placed a lid on the bowl. Shut the door. Choose the microwave settings, high, and then 6 minutes, and press start. You will notice that I did not add any water. I'll get back to you after 6 minutes. So the cooking time is drawing to a close, and the countdown begins now. 3, 2, 1, 0. Opening time. Here is the cauliflower. Let's take it out. That was the fastest cooking in 6 minutes. It's cooked nicely. I can smell the aroma. So I will be consuming this for lunch with mustard spinach, mustard leaves. It's called sarson ka saag here in India. And the balance after consumption, I'm going to put it in a Ziploc and store it for in a normal container for the next day. One can also put it in a Ziploc after it cools down and put it in the freezer. The benefits of cauliflower I'm adding in a fact sheet over here. It contains very little carbohydrates, a lot of proteins and minerals. You can see it for yourself. It's a very keto-friendly diet. I'm also adding in the cost factor for a cauliflower. One head of cauliflower in big basket costs around 15 rupees. So here we have this quantity of rice for two cauliflowers, and that will serve me for at least 3 or 4 days. So for about 20-30 rupees, I'm going to get sufficient filler staple diet for 3 or 4 days. This cauliflower rice can be used as a base for many dishes. It can be used for Indian style along with curries like rajma, sarson ka saag. On a keto diet, then rajma is out of bounds. You can always use it with saag, spinach, palak paneer, etc. And then you can use this cauliflower also to make Western dishes like pizza, or you can just add some olive oil and some nuts in it and consume it as a without adding anything else. So there are multiple possibilities with this cauliflower rice. I reheated the cauliflower rice for an additional 3 minutes because I felt that it might not have been cooked sufficiently because I had used 2 heads of cauliflower. Let's see how this one tastes now. Yes, this one is much more softer. It's not crunchy. So you can see the steam coming up from here. It's not been burnt. So microwave cooking is pretty efficient at cooking cauliflower. You can see how soft and fluffy it is. It is not mushy, and at the bottom it's not charred. When you cook cauliflower on a stove with ghee, it may tend to get charred, and therefore it is advised to keep stirring the cauliflower with the butter or ghee. But when the microwave, you don't have to do anything, just plonk it in the microwave and forget about it, and when the timer has finished and alarm sounds, you can open the microwave door and take it out. So this is a more efficient and faster and cleaner way to cook cauliflower rice. As a South Indian, I can consume cauliflower rice with rasam, sambar, curd. Today's recipe, I'm going to be eating it with sarson ka saag. So this is a leaves. These are leaves of mustard. You can eat it with sambar, avial, rasam, curd. The second helping of cauliflower rice will be with coconut curd. In another video, I'll show you how to make coconut curd. If you like this video on cauliflower rice, you may like to check out the next video which is coming up. It is here. I'm in the process of making coconut curd. I've already boiled the coconut milk and I've allowed it to set here at room temperature after warming it, and this will be the topic of my next video. So if you want to check it out, subscribe to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC and smash the bell icon so that you will get a notification when I upload videos like this for healthy foods.